Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, a brand new video and unboxing. Today I'm going to be reviewing this gaming console LED headset from Gearbest.com. Want to know if this gaming headset is any good? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Just before we get into the unboxing, I'll just tell you that you can purchase this gaming headphone set right now off the Gearbest website at the low price of £8.27. That's $11.52 in US dollars. Do you want to get this console gaming headset for a lower price? Well, use your points saved up by purchasing and then use those points towards any future purchases from the Gearbest website. All links will be in the video description down below. And well, without further ado, let's unbox. Let's get to the fast forward mode. It's like past the parcel. So now it's unpacked, let's see what the description and specification says these headphones have. First of all, these headphones look really cool. They're made of ABS plastic, lightweight, has phone answering, multi-connection function and voice prompt too. These headphones are compatible with PC, mobile phone, Xbox and PS4 consoles. The microphone is situated on the left side of the headphones. The headband has very little foam cushioning. It has pretty good foam protection for the ears with inner blue lining. Volume control to the left hand side. It has 215cm corded headphone wire, and these headphones have HD gaming bass. Please note that these headphones come with 3 wires. A USB for the side LED lights, a 3.5mm mic, and a 3.5mm connector for the audio too. So if you're planning on buying one of these after this review, get yourself an adapter main, preferably one which has 2 inputs, just like this one here. All links will be in the description down below. So at this very moment, these gaming headphones don't actually look too bad. But really, how good are they? First of all, let's give it a good gaming test. And for this, I'm going to need my little gaming helpers. Let's hit the Fortnite gaming zone.
No wonder I'm the only one in Pleasant Park. Right, now I was all confused. I was wondering, like, why am I the only one at Pleasant Park in areas? Oh, the storm's coming in. Joking, I've got to go across. I'm out and running the storm, by the way. I've got to go across the loop. It's meant to be good though. Which one's the one? It's a battle royale game. Came out before Fortnite. Oh my gosh. What? Oh no. Nope. I'm literally taking on loads. Oh my gosh, I'm screwed. No! Oh. Ah!
After playing games on the PS4, hooking these headphones up to this Sony TV, watching films, and then playing music on this Samsung mobile phone for a few hours, I got to say I didn't really find these headphones irritating or uncomfortable. After all, these side arms are fully adjustable and can fit anyone with a larger size head. Even Sloth from the Goonies. Mama, you've been bad. Okay, the headband padding is thin, so I did find myself adjusting it now and again, but nothing that really was a negative. Well, hang on, let me just take that back a bit. I almost forgot the LED lights on the side. Unless you're using these for PC gaming, then you can't really use the USB that well on a console. Well, unless you want to use them like this. And that's not really practical now, is it? Not when you're sat that close to the TV, it's not. You're almost side benched. Come on bench! What? Do you want some? Want some? In addition, using the adapter for audio devices really isn't advised too. No, not a good look. Because I've used these headphones now for a couple of hours, I must say that the sound quality is indeed HD and crystal clear. And I'm happy to confirm that these gaming headphones are noise cancelling headphones, so nope. Hardly no sound from the outside world when you're in that gaming zone. So dudes, these headphones are indeed PC gaming headphones. I did want these headphones mainly for my PS4, and I bought these just by trusting the product header title on the Gearbest website. That doesn't mean that these headphones aren't any good, it just means that if you're buying them for a console, you're going to need the adapter. And if you do use these on your console, well, you're just going to have to forget those sexy blue lights. That being said, what would I give these gaming headphones out of 10? Drum rolls please. Well, honestly, I think I'm going to have to give these headphones today 6 out of 10. If you are looking for headphones, especially for PC gaming, then these headphones will suit your needs. But if it is console gaming headphones that you require, well, these headphones will do alright, as long as you can cope with the added adapter. If you don't, and you want something different, then I'll leave some suggested links in the description underneath this video. Anyway guys, I hope this video helped give you an example of cheap budget headphones that may be suitable for your requirements. And as usual guys, it's important to share. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell option to stay updated on all my new uploads. Thanks for watching. Peace! After all we've been through, these headphones does indeed have H gaming bass in your face, London. After all, that's